What's up guys, JTech here. In this video I will go over what's new in the alpha version 0.2.7 update for Loaded Lines Main City. Let's get into it. We are starting off this update with some new features, which we love to see. The first new feature is diamond bonuses. The diamond bonuses will affect your land production and your exchange rate when swapping diamonds with Crow and vouchers. So as always, here is an example of my diamond production rate with the new diamond bonuses in effect. It's the same as before, but now depending on your avatar's level, you will have a percentage multiplier for diamond production with your land or lands. So I currently have a 4% diamond bonus for the level I'm at. So that is what the 1.04 is in these calculations. It's not a huge amount, but I like the new feature. Following is the swap rate for diamonds. My original purchase rate was 20 Crow for a million diamonds. Now at my current level, it is 1.02 million diamonds for 20 Crow. Not the biggest change, but I have zero complaints. The next new feature is the requirements for placing businesses on your land. Now when you have a business that needs requirements to prestige, it will show you here what it requires and the avatar level. I know this change was disliked by some because this makes selling super high prestige businesses to brand new players useless. But that is the main reason the devs changed it. They do not want players coming in last minute of the competitive season, buying the highest prestige building, and bypassing players that were grinding all season long. One last note. If for some reason you did purchase a higher prestige business before the update and have it on one of your lands, if you remove it to your inventory, you will not be able to place it until you reach the required amount of supporting businesses and avatar level. The last new feature is that avatar leveling now provides gold and diamond bonuses. You can find this information by this eye next to the avatar icon. It will show you your level and avatar bonuses. So moving forward, we will continue to receive common blueprints at levels with digits ending in 0 through 5, not including the levels we receive legendary blueprints starting at level 20, with 20 level increments. We now also receive diamond and gold bonuses at levels ending in digits 6 through 9, as well as 0. The next part of the update, we have some general fixes. We now have improved UI for purchasing arid plains, improved UI for avatar level up pop-ups, and I can't show you on screen, but we now have the market resale timer reduced from 72 hours to 24 hours. Lastly, in this update, we have some more balancing adjustments. This time they raised the level gold cost multiplier for the single slot common businesses, which are these numbers here. As always, I have my stats sheet linked in the video description down below. So that's everything in the 0.2.7 update. Here is what they tease coming soon. Tool NFTs integration and reveal of in-game bonuses. Improved loaded lines and CyberCub in-game bonuses to align with the tiering of tool NFTs. Market UI and filter improvements. Enhanced market restrictions to prevent bot abuse, further reduction to marketplace resale cooldown to only 30 minutes, more incentives for new players to join through the access pass, enhanced game access to the wider public. I think this update was well deserved, but I think it's funny that we are still waiting on the delete all furniture button. Anyways, what do you want to see next in Loaded Lines Main City? Like always, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.